Howdy guys, it's your boy Eric here again. We're doing another Rust tutorial. Hopefully this is going to be a short and sweet one. Today basically we're just going to see how we make a repository blazingly fast in Rust. So basically all you do is once you have GitHub desktop, which you can get on the Pop Shop on Pop OS at least, is you sign in of course using a personal access token and all that. And you just make a new repository. Now the reason why I make a new repository instead of adding a local one is because it's kind of buggy. It's unpredictable, like what's gonna happen, so that's why I just do this. And it's actually easy in Rust to initialize even if you've already made the folder. You don't have to use cargo new, you just use cargo init. So I'll just be showing you guys in a brief second. So yeah, I'm making a project for my university. I'm just making the science gateway, so I'm just gonna make a repository here called science gateway. The description, we don't really need it because it's gonna be private for now, so I'll worry about that later. And you can see here we made a science gateway. Now let me make sure I went to the right folder. Not okay, yeah, I went here, and that was, let's see, 3 o'clock, so 1 minute ago. So that is the right one, I believe. So what we do now is we go into it, open in terminal, and we just do cargo init, and that's all you gotta do. You don't even gotta name it or anything. The toml file should already have the name science gateway in it in snake case. And yep, so that's why I had it lowercase, so it has snake case. Rust doesn't like it when it's not snake case. It throws you some errors in the compiler or whatever. So yeah, and let's see if this changed at all. Okay, yeah, looks like it changed. So we're gonna add one more thing for this project. I need to use GitHub Pages. It's a cool feature that GitHub basically hosts your web server for you and spins it, so which is probably pretty convenient. Even lets you do a custom domain, which is pretty nice of Microsoft for letting us do that. Pretty nice of GitHub. So we just call it docs. GitHub Pages either pulls from the root directory or from a folder called docs. So that's what we did. And now we let's just commit this real quick. So initialized project, commit to main, and then yeah, it should be good. And then publish the repository. Just publish them for now, just to show you guys that it does work. I'm gonna keep it private. I don't need to call it science. That I can call it science gateway, capitalized, looks better. And publish repository. Then let's see if it works. Okay, let me reload. Alright, cool. And let me show you guys real quick how to turn on the GitHub Pages feature. You just go here, go under settings, and then you go to pages, I believe, and you use yeah, I don't know. I didn't know they had a new feature here. That's pretty cool. GitHub Actions, make it continuous, like progressive web apps or something. So yeah, you can either do roots or docs, so you just save that there. And that's cool. It'll be public, even though my code is private. Of course it's going to be public. It's like a website that's deployed. It's supposed to be public facing anyways. And this is where you can put the custom domain, which is pretty cool. For HTTPS. It's very, this is kind of like better than some of the other software out there that's like meant to host websites for you. It's very convenient. It's very, everything's in here that I need. So yeah, it should spin up like pages even though I don't really have anything. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Kind of a bare bones video, but yeah, I'm just showing you how to initialize a project basically. So yeah, see you guys in the next episode. Take care.